Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. So we have sine x squared in here. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have sine x squared equals to 1 minus cosine x squared. So I will put this one go in here. So 5 minus 1, we have number 4, negative and negative, we have positive. Next, we have the second formula in here. Sine 2x equal to 2 sine x cosine x. So I will put this one go in here. Sine x, and sine x, we can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x, and later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u square in here. Similar for this one. Sine x dx we change by negative du. Next, I will put the negative to change the sign of this one. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over u minus 1 to the power of 2, capital B over u minus 1, cu plus d over u square plus 4. Because we have the power 2 in here, that means on numerator we need to reduce 1 power of u. So 2 minus 1, we have number 1, and later that we reduce the power to number 0. That's why we have d. Because we have the power 2, so this is the reason why we have two fractions in here. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about 4 plus u square. So capital A multiplied by 4 plus u square. This one, it is missing about u minus 1 and u square plus 4. So capital B multiplied by 4 plus u square and u minus 1. And the last one, that is about this one. So we need to expand this one. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u to the power of 3, we have b plus c. About u square in here, we have a with u square, so we have a in here, minus b. The next one, negative 2c plus d. About u, we have about 4b plus c, that's about cu in here, negative 2d. About the numbers, we have 4a minus 4b plus d. Now we need to compare coefficients. We don't have u to the power of 3 in here, so b plus c equals to number 0. We have negative number 6 next to u to the power of 2, so a minus b minus 2c plus d equals to negative number 6. This one, we have negative 2u, so we have u in here. That means 4b plus c minus 2d equals to negative number 2. And the last one in here equals to 23. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So we have, so A equals to number 3, B equals to negative number 4, C equals to number 4, D equals to negative number 5. So we put A, B, C, D go in here. So we have A equals to number 3, B equals to negative number 4, C equals to positive number 4, D equals to negative number 5. So this one we can put like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 over u minus 1. This one we have negative number 4 ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. This one we have about number 2 ln of the absolute value of u square plus 4. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 2u over u square plus 4, and we have number 2 with number 2. That's why we have number 4 in here. And the last one, that should be like this. So number 2, that is about the square root of number 4 from here. And this is about number 2. Now about u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.